If you're looking for the best glass cleaner, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Windex Original Glass Cleaner. Windex is a household name brand cleaner that's effective, budget-friendly, and easy to find at most grocery stores. While it is the trusted standby in many homes, its formulation includes synthetic chemicals, including 2-hexoxyethanol and isopropanolamine. It also has a pretty strong scent, which comes from synthetic fragrances and dyes. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Stoner Invisible Glass Cleaner Spray. This glass cleaner lived up to its name, cleaning glass surfaces so well that they look practically invisible. In addition to targeting dirt, grime, and streaks, it also makes short work of removing toothpaste splatter, smoke haze, and fingerprints. It's safe for windows, glass cooktops, mirrors, and chrome. It doesn't contain ammonia, although its formula is synthetic chemical based, and it's free of overpowering scents and dyes. This cleaner doesn't leave behind residue or streaks, two of the most common complaints with other products we tested over the years, and is both affordable and easy to find online and at many stores, checking off all the boxes that many people look for in a glass cleaner. The number 3 position is held by Stoner Invisible Glass Foaming Cleanser. This foaming cleanser is an excellent option for those that want minimal overspray, which is a common issue with most household spray cleaners. It uses the same cleaning formula as the other invisible glass products, which is free of ammonia and the types of scents, soaps, and chemical dyes that cause streaking. One of the best parts of this glass cleaner is that it won't leave any residue behind, as long as you use a microfiber cloth. In addition to its many uses around the home, it's an excellent product for cleaning glass, mirrors, and chrome in your car. Next at number 4 we have Sprayway Ammonia-free Glass Cleaning Wipes. Glass cleaning wipes are great for targeting hard-to-reach places or taking your cleaner on the go. Sprayway's wipes are ammonia-free, so they won't irritate your skin or release a harsh smell, and they are approved for use on tinted glass. The big drawback: the wipes are designed to spot clean small areas, so a 20-pack won't clean all the windows in a typical home. The fresh scent is pleasant but might be overpowering if you're particularly sensitive to fragrances. The number 5 position is held by Puracy Organic Natural Multi-Surface Cleaner. Puracy Natural Glass Cleaner uses dicyl glucoside, a vegetable-based cleanser, in place of harsh chemicals like ammonia, and its pleasant scent comes from organic lemongrass essential oil. This spray formula does leave behind more streaks than some other cleaners, so it may take a few more swipes to get a crystal clear shine. In addition to windows, this all-purpose cleaner can also be used on bathroom counters, mirrors, and sinks. Puracy also offers a concentrated solution that you can use to refill reusable cleaning bottles, cutting down on plastic waste. The number 6 position is dominated by Weiman Cooktop Cleaner Kit. Weiman is our go-to cleaner for glass cooktops and stovetops, and we highly recommend getting the entire cleaning kit, which includes the cleaning solution, a scrubbing pad, a scraper, and a cleaning tool. The formula contains polyethylene, polypropylene glycol, and monosodium phosphate. Other chemicals like pH balancers and preservatives also play a role, so if you use natural products, this is not the product for you. It's pricey, but it works better than any other glass cooktop cleaner we have tested. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Rejuvenate No Scrub Soap Scum Remover. The Rejuvenate Glass Cleaner packs a powerful punch against soap scum, hard water, rust, and other residues. It's approved for use on glass shower doors, ceramic tile, fiberglass, natural stone, plastic, chrome, and porcelain, and is non-abrasive, so you don't need to worry about it scratching your surfaces. Even though it's unscented, our tester found that it produced a potent smell when used in an enclosed shower. The number 8 position is held by Fannie's Glass and Window Cleaning Vinegar Wash. If your arsenal of cleaning products is filled with old-fashioned, tried-and-true solutions and you like to steer clear of chemicals that you can't pronounce, this is the glass and window cleaner for you. Fannie's Glass and Window Vinegar Wash is toxin-free, made with only vinegar, rosemary oil, lavender grosso oil, eucalyptus oil, orange oil, peppermint oil, and sugar surfactant. It's as basic as the DIY vinegar cleaner you can make at home, without any of the unpleasant smells left behind. Next at number 9 we have Hope's Perfect Glass Fresh and Clean. When it comes to the mirrors you use every day and the windows you look through the most, products that leave streaks are deal breakers. Perfect Glass has a powerful formula that dissolves grime and oily fingerprints, effectively cleaning glass surfaces without leaving any marks behind. Because this product is so powerful, it will help your glass surfaces stay clean for longer, which means less frequent cleanings. This is a must-have in your arsenal of heavy-duty cleaners. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Magic Shower Glass and Mirror Cleaner. Shower doors get a lot of action, constantly getting sprayed with water, soaps, oils, and more. To return glass shower doors to their original clarity and luster, you need a product that can blast away soap scum and hard water stains. Magic not only gets rid of all of the bathroom grime, but also helps your glass shower doors repel water so that future cleanings are easier. That's all for today. We upload auto product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.